So the first sentence is, she will come tomorrow. She will come tomorrow. The second one is, they must submit files by 6 p.m. They must send videos of story narration by tomorrow. This is for you, 7th A. They must send videos by tomorrow. Next one is, nobody can climb this tree. Nobody can climb this tree. You have to pick out the verb, everyone. The full verb you have to pick out. So please unmute yourself and please tell me the verb in the first sentence. First sentence verb, please unmute yourself and tell me.
Come.
Come.
Ma'am, come.
Okay,
Come.
this is the main verb and you have to tell me the helping verb also. Will come.
Ma'am, will.
Will.
Second one,
Ma'am, must is helping verb.
Must.
Verb and send
Helping
and
verb
send is main verb.
Send is main
so
verb.
must is your helping verb and send is your main verb. Okay, next one.
Ma'am, can helping
Ma'am,
verb
can
and
helping
climb
verb.
main verb.
Climb is the main verb. Main verb.
Can is your helping verb and climb is your main verb. So helping verb, कौन से please write down, and helping verb is also called auxiliary verb. Okay, helping verb is also called auxiliary verb. This is the second name of the helping verb. Helping verb is also called auxiliary verb. So which helping verbs are there? Will, must, can. And rest, second one is the main verb. Main verb is come, send, climb. And please mute yourself. I don't want to hear the noises better from your side. Come, send, and climb. So our models, beta, they just fall in this group. This first group, our models fall. So models are always the part of helping verb. They are part. ठीक है, ये नहीं कि सारे helping verb भी models होते हैं. No, this is not true. Is, am, are, was, were is also there in helping verb. So model is a kind of helping verb. It's one of the kinds of helping. Now please note down the definition of model. Model is a helping verb. Model is a helping verb that comes with the main verb to express ideas. Model is a helping verb that comes with a main verb to express ideas like possibility, permission, obligation, etc. Permission, obligation, possibility, etc. Possibility, you know that something is possible. Permission भी आपको पता है. Obligation is the morally correct behavior. Obligation is morally what should you do, है ना? So should.
Ma'am, please repeat the definition.
Model is a kind of, model is a helping verb that comes with the main verb. Model is a helping verb that comes with the main verb to express ideas like possibility, obligation. Obligation is morally correct behavior. Obligation, permission, etc. So model is a helping verb that comes with the main verb to express ideas like possibility, obligation, permission, etc. That was a definition. And Rivya, what do you want to ask? Beta, please ask. After that, Devang. Yes, Rivya. Please speak up better.
Yes, ma'am. The sixth D student.
Sixth D student is there.
Ma'am, yes, good Charan.
Gurcharan is there. Let me see. Gurcharan, beta, this is not your English class today. Friday आपकी class नहीं होती बेटा. Please join your next class. Gurcharan, can you hear me?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Okay, yes, go on. Model is a helping verb that comes with the main verb to express ideas like this. Board पे लिखा हुआ है etc. Okay. It is a helping verb, comes with the main verb to express ideas like this. Now let's start. There are so many models in your syllabus. You people are in 7th class. So generally we do can, could, may, might. So there are 2-3 extra this time. Okay. So in this class, you will be able to learn all the models. Okay. Whatever there are in English, आप सारे कर लोगे इस बार. And only 2-3 are extra. Otherwise, you know this already. So the first one is, this time we'll do grouping wise. We will make the groups of models and we'll do group wise. So in the first group, I have placed can and could. Can and could. So write down first group. First one is can and could.
मैम इनकी हेडिंग टाइप्स ऑफ मॉडल्स दे दें.
Yes, Peter, types of model. Yes.
ओके.
Types of model. Actually, they are the models themselves. They are not the types. You put models here. Okay? So you can directly start also. You can start. Some common models are can, could, may, might. आप ऐसे लिख के then one by one you can just start. Or simply directly start first one after leaving 2-3 lines. So first group is can, could. So first one is can.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. So first one is can. I will write the uses here and you people will make the sentence. Okay? So the first use of can is, present ability. At present, you are able to do something. At present, you can do something. So that is called present ability. Now you will make one sentence.
I can play cricket.
Anyone can speak. Yes, beta.
I can play cricket.
I can bake a cake. Okay, that is ability. Anyone else?
I can climb a tree.
I can climb a tree. Okay. Anyone more? Examples.
I can play cricket.
I can make Maggie.
I can play cricket.
I can play a piano. Next use.
Ma'am, I can drive Activa.
Okay. So mute yourself side by side, please. Next is to ask question. Yeah, to ask permission, informal. Now, who will tell me the difference between formal and informal? I think 100 of times I have told you. Informal and formal. What is the difference?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I?
I think.
Can
I?
Ma'am, informal.
Can I?
Ma'am,
Show me thumbs up.
can I?
Let me see who will show me the.
Can.
Gaurish and Karthik, you did both together. So one by one, please. Decide कर लो, बोलना शुरू कर दो जल्दी. Then Lakshya will speak.
हम पहले गौरिश बोल ले.
Ma'am, formal is used like, ma'am, just a minute. Ma'am, पहले कार्तिक बोलेगा.
Okay, Karthik.
मैम आई थिंक इनमें इनफॉर्मल में हम जब कैन लगाकर क्वेश्चन अगर पूछते हैं तो उसमें ऑलमोस्ट ये होता है कि उसको वो चीज देनी ही पड़ेगी. एंड मैम इनफॉर्मल हमें जब वो मे या वुड लगाकर अगर हम पूछते हैं तो फिर उसकी मर्जी, चॉइस होती है उसकी.
Okay, Karthik, formal letter or informal letter हम करते हैं ना? Then what is the difference?
Yes, ma'am.
Formal letter
Can
or
I speak?
informal letter? What is the difference, Karthik?
Ma'am,
And formal letters are written to like bank
Like
managers, principals,
principals.
and informal letters are written to
Formal
our
letters.
relatives, etc.
Exactly. This
And
is the
informal.
this is the difference between formal and informal. When you are talking to a stranger and with your elder one, with your principal ma'am, teachers, so you must give respect. So that is formal. And if you're talking to your family members, if you're talking to your relatives, obviously you people are familiar to them. So no need to give much respect. है ना, इतना polite होने की जरूरत हमें नहीं होती. Then we can use this word can. So informal means when you have to talk to your parents, relatives, your friends, ठीक है, या younger one. Formal is you are doing job somewhere and you have to talk to your head, ठीक है, or some higher authority, then you will consider it as formal. So can is used with informal. Okay, can is informal. So now please make one question using can that must be informal. Okay, that must be informal. So I would unmute Harman. Harman, please tell us one question that is informal using can. Harman.
Ma'am,
Think about. Suppose you have to ask something to your sister. ठीक है, उसको कुछ use करना है. How would you say?
can I use this?
Can I use?
Ma'am, can I play cricket?
Can I play cricket? Okay, you are asking your mother maybe. So mother के साथ आप formal हो सकते हो थोड़ा सा to give her respect, but it's fine. Can I play outside, mother? That's fine. That is informal. वो चलेगा, ठीक है? So can I use your pen? Can I go outside? Okay. Can you help me? So these type of words we use with our family members, friends. Okay, brother, sister. So this is informal. Now next one, the next use of can is to give permission. Now when you ask your sister, can I use your pen? If she wants to give you permission, then she would say, yes, you can use my pen. So she will give you permission using can. Okay. To give permission also, we use can. Again, this is informal. So can is a highly informal model. Remember this thing. इसमें हम कुछ प्लीज नहीं लगाते, कुछ नहीं लगाते, जस्ट नॉर्मली इनफॉर्मल, दिस आर डे टू डे लैंग्वेज, डे टू डे लाइफ. ओके, सो टू गिव परमिशन, अगेन दिस इज इनफॉर्मल. नाउ आफ्टर दिस व्हाट विल यू डू? यू विल मेक राइट वन सेंटेंस ऑफ ईच. ये जो मैंने स्टार में यूजेस लिखी है, यू विल राइट वन यूज ऑफ ईच. ठीक है, दैट इज योर पार्ट. यू विल डू दिस. आई एम गिविंग यू 30-40 seconds. Quickly write down 3 sentences. I can jump high. Can I use your pen? You can use my pen. So these are the 3 examples. You can change the examples according to your wish. Then I'll move to could. इसके बाद हम could पे चलेंगे. So I'm waiting for you. You can just note down. Now the second one is could. Now let's start. So it is the opposite of can. You can say, if can is used for present ability, it is used for past ability. Okay. So they are the opposite one. One is present and one is past. Remember this thing, past ability. And in exam, you will definitely get one hint whether it is past tense or present tense. Then you have to write the answer accordingly. So it is used for past ability. I will ask you question. आपने sentences बनाने. I will ask you. पहले हम discuss करते हैं. Past ability. Second one is to ask permission, and it is very polite form, formal form. Polite one. So if you are talking to your elders, your teachers, you are supposed to use could. We teach you model every year, but still, so many students always ask this question, can I speak the answer? Can I speak the answer, ma'am? Can I tell you? So try to use the models also in your English language. Now from today onwards, I will notice 7th A, obviously 7th B. अब आपका हमारे साथ एक दिन है, then I will notice whether you are using these models or not. So next one is could, past form of can. Okay. You can write this thing, past form of can. No need, okay. 2 examples, please. Shubh and Guneet will tell us one example. Shubh and Guneet.
Yes. Some possibility का है I could climb a tree.
I could.
Climb a tree.
Okay, beta, you have to add something which will show that this is a past tense. You have to add some words to show
I
that.
could climb tree when I was younger.
Exactly. I could climb a tree when I was young. Okay. So you have to show me that you are talking about past tense only. So Shobh, yes, beta, your example.
Ma'am, second to ask question, could I give answer?
Could I use your pen, ma'am? Could I use your pen, please? Okay, please, ma'am. Okay, these type of words will be there. Okay, fine. Ipsa, you can speak anyone if you want.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I only have a sentence. My grandfather could climb a tree when he was young.
Your grandmother could climb a tree. Okay, nice.
Ma'am, no, my grandfather.
Okay, grandfather. Okay, fine. Well done.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
You can ask Ipsa. I muted you by mistake. Yes, beta. You can ask.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can we write in can one more point? Like in can, we can write request, and in could polite request.
In can, beta? Yes.
Ma'am, yes.
To ask permission is a kind of request. That's why I haven't added permission. हम generally request की form में लेते हैं. That's why I haven't used this word. You can write, beta. You can write. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Next is Arshia. Arshia, give us one example, please.
Yes, ma'am. Could I borrow your notebook?
Okay. If you are so much polite with your friend, then it's fine. Could I borrow your notebook? Yes. So you can always be polite with your family members also. There is no hard and fast rule कि आप could use कर ही नहीं सकते family members के साथ. If you want to give them respect, you can give. You can always use could also. Now this was the first group, and please write down 2 examples. I could jump high when I was young. Okay. I could climb the tree. I could not read or write when I was a little child. Okay. Could you allow me to go outside, ma'am? This is the permission, polite permission. Now the next group is the second group. Second group is may and might. May and might. First of all, may. First is may. So I'll write the uses here and you will make the sentence. Okay, first use is may possibility. May is used to show possibility. And it's a strong possibility, you know that. Possibility. Ruhani, please make the sentence. Possibility.
Ma'am, it can rain tomorrow. Sorry, it may rain tomorrow.
Repeat it.
Ma'am, am I audible?
Now you're audible. Speak up, beta.
Ma'am, it may rain tomorrow.
Okay, it may rain tomorrow according to weather forecast. Okay, that's possibility, strong possibility. Next is I am unmuting 3-4 students randomly. Please speak up.
Ma'am, may I go to drink water?
Only possibility, bache. Only possibility.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the sky is cloudy. It may rain.
Okay, fine. It may rain. Fine.
my mother may go to her friend birthday party as her friend birthday party is today.
Okay, I think
Ma'am,
that's
rain shows that
I think that's the
electricity
planning.
gone.
You can use will here.
Ma'am, rain shows that
Yes,
electricity may be gone.
Last time repeat. I couldn't hear. Last time repeat, please.
Ma'am, heavy rain shows that electricity may go.
May go. Okay. It's raining or India may, yes, it's a strong possibility. The winds are blowing, so it may, the electricity may go. Okay, yes, exactly. There is a strong possibility. Now the next one is ask for permission. Again, in this you can ask for permission. That's again a formal one. Okay, formal. This is the word that you maximum, I think you use this word maximum number of times in class also. May. Only in just 1, 2, 3 matters. One is drinking water and second is washroom. So this is the, I think, word that you use maximum time, and this is formal. And there are some students who ये भी पूछते थे कि can I go to washroom, ma'am? No. May I go to? Formal. Okay. So you can make the sentence, and the third use is again to give permission. When you will ask, may I go to washroom? Your teacher will definitely say, yes, you may go, or simply yes. So to give permission, you may use my pen. You may come at 10 a.m. if you want. So that is to give permission. You may come at 11 o'clock if you wish. So you are giving permission to someone that you may come at 10 a.m. So these are the uses. Again, make 3 sentences and please make it. Now I am waiting for you 1 minute. After 1 minute, we'll start the third group. Make the sentences. And I request students to please lower your hand if you don't have any doubt. Please lower your hand if you don't have doubt. So 3 students are left. If you have
Excuse me,
doubt,
ma'am. In possibility, ma'am, in possibility, can we write this sentence? It may be possible that schools are opening from August.
okay, yes, it's a strong possibility. Because government is giving order these days, so it's a strong possibility that schools may open in the month of August. Okay, fine. Then done. Next is Savya and
Yes, ma'am.
Tasneem. You are raising
Yes, ma'am. Can we write in to give permission? You may go.
Yes, you can write it.
Okay, ma'am.
Jasmine, you are raising your hand, beta. Speak up, please. No, she's not ready. I think Rivya.
Excuse me, ma'am. They may join. They may join us for dinner.
They may join us for dinner. Okay, as it's a weekend, they may join us Okay, fine. For the dinner. Yes. So there is a strong possibility. So may can be used. Now next move. Let's move to the next group. That is the group. Okay, there is no group. There is single word should. So the third group is should. So the third one is should. So should is used. So generally we used to teach you that should and ought to are same. है ना? Ought to. So should and ought to, no doubt they are same, but only in the moral duty. ठीक है? That is the obligation. Otherwise should की जगह हमेशा हम ought to नहीं use करते. They can be used interchangeably only when there is obligation. जब आपको moral duty की बात करनी, then should and ought to, they both are same, but not always. ठीक है? That's why I have written should alone. I haven't written ought to here. Okay. So write down the first use of the should. So first one is to give advice. To give advice. To give advice, you can use the word should. For example, Akshara and Jalash. Please.
Ma'am, you should brush 2 times in a day.
Okay, you should brush your teeth twice a day. Okay, that's an advice. Then Akshara, to give advice.
You should stay at home these days.
Okay, you should stay at home during pandemic. Okay, so that is the advice here. Ought to doesn't suit. Okay, so to give advice, you will be using should only. Okay, but for obligation, that is the moral duty. Okay, duty, you will use ought to or should. Both are correct. So now give me one example. One example of moral duty using ought to and should. But the same students are raising their hands. Yes, Jasmine.
We should follow the traffic rules.
We should follow the traffic rules. Okay. Next is Itsa. Guneet.
Yes, ma'am.
We should obey our elders.
Okay. We should obey our elders. Next. Nitya, please speak up, beta.
Should keep discipline in the class.
Okay.
You should not go play for us.
Acha, repeat it, please. Repeat karna ek baar.
You should not go this time.
Okay, fine. Okay. So you ought to respect your elders. You should respect your elders. You ought to follow the rules of the school. You should follow rules of the school. That is your duty, moral duty. Morally, you should do that. Huh? So these are the two uses of should. So let me see. Is there anything left in should? No. So please make the sentence of these two uses. I'm waiting. Please make sentences. So we could cover only 3 groups, but there are 7 groups actually. So 7th day we'll continue better the groups tomorrow. Only this much we can do tomorrow, today, because it's 12:15 I think already. So only this much. Yahan tak complete karna. And we'll complete next 6 groups are there actually. So 3 are left. That will continue tomorrow. Any doubt in your mind, please ask me one by one and lower your hands if you are not having any doubt. One by one, please start. Ask your question if you have.
यस मैम मैम जो आपने मे और माइट का करवा रहे थे मैम, तब ना मेरा नेटवर्क कनेक्शन की थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी।
मैम आपने
माइट का करवाया।
Okay, sorry, I just missed might.
माइट ने करवाया।
Okay, so I have missed might. So it's okay. We can do tomorrow. And 7th week, you will do all the models again. When you, I think Shweta ma'am teaches you. She'll definitely teach you all the models together. So कल हम बेटा might से start करेंगे. You can add one slip, ठीक है, to your notebook if you're writing directly on pair. तो हम पहले वहाँ पे might लिखेंगे, उसके बाद ये वाला group आएगा. I just forgot to discuss might. Otherwise might जो होता है वो weak possibility के लिए होता है, ठीक है? Just for your information, I'm telling you. But we'll discuss in detail tomorrow. ठीक है? So Saksham and Samarth, please ask your question.
यस मैम आपने इसकी कोई असाइनमेंट भेजनी है?
दोबारा बोलना बेटा.
मैम आप इसकी कोई असाइनमेंट भेजोगे करने के लिए?
After the completion of all the groups, then I'll send you the exercise. अभी नहीं बेटा, 1-2 दिन बाद. ठीक है?
Okay.
So this is the end of the period. I hope the things that we have done today,
Yes.
they are clear to you. And Rivya, last doubt, then I'll end up the meeting. Yes, Rivya.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can we write you should have a healthy diet and walk more often to stay healthy and fit.
Exactly, beta, exactly. Yes, you can write. So now I'll meet you tomorrow.
Okay, ma'am.
We'll continue the next one. Okay. Take care, beta, everyone. Bye.